North Korean leader Kim Jong Un attended a farm machinery exhibition advocating for the continued advancement of the country's agricultural technology. Kim Jong Un participated in an exhibition showcasing new agricultural machinery, including an unmanned helicopter. According to North Korea state media, Kim called for the expansion of farming technology. This statement coincided with his visit to the Three Revolution exhibition house, featuring over 100 types of farm machines. During his visit, Kim emphasized the importance of a clear assessment of North Korea's current capability to manufacture farm machines and the need for long-term plans for the country's agricultural technology development. North Korea is focusing on strengthening grain production due to food shortages during the pandemic. To recall, during the year-end key party meeting, Kim expressed satisfaction with Pyongyang's annual crop output, considering it a significant success for the year 2023.